I definitely recommend a swim spa because you can go in it all through the year. Evenings, it's great in the evenings when you're busy during the day working. It's not like you can only use it while you're on holiday in summertime. We're using it every day. Jonathan, our son, uses it every day and it's fantastic. So much easier to clean, I think. Just hit the button. And you know, you cover it and walk away and there's no issues. It's just amazing. My husband really wants to use this as a fitness tool. I'm more relaxing, so I haven't really gotten into the fitness side of it yet, but I might. It was quite quick to realise that he was going to need a few extras just to get to his fitness level that he wants to get to, just things in the ears and the little nose plug if he wanted and his little snorkel. But now that he's got all that, he's in there every day in the afternoon just going for it, which is fantastic. Others that have tried it out have found that it's quite intense, so they're surprised actually, I think, that it's actually a real workout. And my youngest is definitely getting in and swimming backwards and forth and puts it on a bit, tries to swim against it, so it's got to be good for his upper body strength too. I really enjoy being able to swap the water flow from the jets at the front to the seats at the back. So depending on whether we're wanting to relax or exercise, that's really good. Yes, so they had to use a crane and the crane lifted the swim spa up and over our house and into the concrete pad space ready for the rest of the installation. It was certainly a bit scary watching the crane lift the spa over our house, but also at the same time quite exciting. The guy was quite quick about getting it filled and building the steps and then talked us through how to use it. He was fantastic. So we initially had a design in mind where we had a new fence and we wanted to enclose it, make a proper swimming area for it. So once the swim spa was in place, it was get to work at getting the fence put up and then the trellis all the way around. It's definitely a lot more secluded with the trellis up now, and means we don't have to worry in the evenings when we're in the spa that it might be too noisy or the lights might annoy someone. We use it, my son and his friends after school until we drag them out for dinner, and then again before bed we hop in about 8 o'clock, stay in there, then we kick them out to have a shower and go to bed. Sometimes we come back out afterwards again. It's quite nice in the evenings just to be able to look up and see the stars and relax. Yeah, so it's definitely an everyday sort of thing.